Did you think building a professional app would be easy? I discovered how entrepreneurs are using AI to create apps that help people build better habits without any coding. Most people never build their amazing ideas because they think it requires technical skills or a huge budget. That's why combining ChatGPT with an AI app builder like Base 44 is a game changer. It completely eliminates the technical and financial barriers. By the end of this video, you'll watch me build a complete habit-building app from scratch in real time using only AI prompts. You'll learn how to replicate this for any idea and see why it's revolutionizing app creation. Traditional development takes months and costs thousands. Now, I can build working apps faster than you can make coffee. What required entire teams now happens through a simple conversation. Here's the powerful 5-minute method. ChatGPT as your architect. It acts as your expert consultant, creating detailed specifications for your app's every feature. Base 44 is your builder, reads these specs and constructs the actual application. Automatic professional results. The platform generates pro-level interfaces and user experiences automatically. You get a fully functional app without writing a single line of code. The revolution is speed and quality. You can test ideas and iterate based on real user feedback instantly, instead of spending months building something nobody wants. These tools learn from millions of successful apps, so your app uses proven, real-world patterns. Even a complete beginner can create an app that looks and works like it was built by professionals. Now, let's create our app blueprint using ChatGPT's incredible analytical capabilities in under 1 minute. Instead of spending days researching what features to include, we'll let AI do comprehensive market analysis instantly. Specifically, we're going to ask ChatGPT to create a complete habit-building app concept that solves real problems people face when trying to develop positive routines. Open ChatGPT and type this exact prompt for maximum effectiveness. Give me a well-structured idea to build and maintain new positive habits. Include the target audience, main problems it solves, unique features, and what makes it better than existing habit apps. Subsequently, ChatGPT will analyze the habit-building app market and generate something comprehensive like this. App name: Momentum Loop. Target audience: young adults 18 to 35, including students, professionals, and fitness enthusiasts who struggle with consistency. Also targets existing users of apps like Habitica or Streaks who feel demotivated and drop off after a few weeks. Core problem: current habit-tracking apps rely on rigid, streak-based systems that punish imperfection, leading to demotivation and a sense of failure, rather than fostering genuine, sustainable progress. Unique solution: a momentum energy system that visualizes progress through consistent effort, not perfection, tying every habit to a personal why to turn self-improvement into a lasting lifestyle, not a short-lived challenge. Key features: the momentum loop system, a fluid progress gauge that grows with consistency, not perfect streaks. Micro-reflection check-ins, brief daily questions to connect habits with emotions, powered by personalized AI insights. Adaptive habit cycles, a recovery mode that suggests easier tasks after a slip, preventing shame and burnout. Collaborative growth circles, small supportive groups for accountability without competitive pressure. Gamified identity growth, unlock identity traits that reflect the person you are becoming. Core philosophy: build habits that build you. Momentum: Loop makes consistency a flexible and encouraging experience, where every small effort counts and visibly contributes to the person you want to become. The amazing thing about this approach is that ChatGPT considers behavioral psychology, user motivation, and successful habit formation strategies automatically. Once we have our concept, the next step involves getting specific technical details that Base 44 can implement perfectly. This is where most people get stuck because they don't know what technical features their habit app actually needs to be effective. However, ChatGPT can solve this problem instantly by providing comprehensive specifications that cover every aspect of functionality. Ask ChatGPT this follow-up question immediately. Now give me detailed technical features this habit-building app should have. Include user accounts, habit tracking, motivation systems, notifications, social features, and any other essential features. Be specific about how each feature works. As a result, ChatGPT will provide detailed specifications such as app name, momentum loop, target audience, young adults 18 to 35 who struggle with consistency and are demotivated by the punitive streak-based systems of current habit-tracking apps. Core problem: Existing habit apps fail by prioritizing perfect streaks over meaningful progress, leading to user burnout and a disconnect between daily actions and long-term personal growth. Unique solution: an AI-powered habit ecosystem that replaces rigid tracking with a fluid momentum energy system, focusing on consistent effort, adaptive recovery, and identity-based growth to make self-improvement sustainable. Key features: the momentum loop system, AI-powered reflection and insights, adaptive habit cycles, collaborative growth circles, and a gamified identity tracker. Technical backbone: a secure, real-time, and AI-driven architecture built for personalization and cross-platform reliability. Security and identity: robust authentication via Firebase Auth/OAuth 2.0, with biometric options and GDPR-compliant data management to ensure user privacy and security. Data intelligence: a powerful analytics layer using time series analysis and NLP on habit completion, and reflection data to generate personalized behavioral insights and drive an adaptive AI coach. Engagement engine: an event-driven notification system, Firebase cloud messaging that delivers context-aware, behavior-triggered, and personalized motivational nudges. Scalable infrastructure: a modern API-first stack, React Native Node.js, Firestore/PostgreSQL, designed for future expansion into wearables, voice assistants, and advanced AI features. The remarkable aspect is that ChatGPT includes behavioral science principles that make habit apps actually effective. Now comes the exciting part: watching Base 44's A. I transform our specifications into a working app in real time. Base 44's AI platform works like having an entire development team that never sleeps and understands exactly what you want. Think of it as your personal app-building assistant that turns ideas into reality through simple instructions. Here's how to build your Habit Flow app, step by step. To begin creating your application, first, navigate to the Base 44 website and go to its homepage. Once there, locate and click the Start Building button in the top right corner. This action will initiate the sign-up or login process. You can then select Log in with Google to register or sign in using your existing Google account. After you authorize this, Base 44 will automatically redirect you to your personal workspace. Upon entering your workspace, you will see a page asking, "What would you build today?" Here you can bring your app idea to life by typing a detailed description of the application you want to create into the large white text box. The platform immediately starts building your app structure. As a result, you can see your habit-building app taking shape in real time without any coding required. What happens next is truly remarkable. Base 44 creates the user interface based on your specifications. It builds the database structure for storing habit data and user progress. It implements the tracking systems for daily check-ins and streak counting. It creates all the workflows for notifications and motivation features. It generates the social features and community elements automatically. Meanwhile, you can watch the progress and see each component being added to your application. The entire building process takes approximately 3 minutes from start to finish. Furthermore, Base 44's AI suggests improvements based on successful habit apps. For instance, it might recommend adding gamification elements to make habit building more engaging, or suggest social features that help users stay accountable to their goals. The platform also automatically implements best practices for user engagement, such as optimal notification timing and reward systems that maintain long-term motivation. Next, we customize the app for maximum engagement. The AI helps you implement a personalized color scheme, an intuitive dashboard layout, and tailored motivational messaging that resonates with your target audience, transforming the foundation into a unique and branded experience. We then integrate advanced behavioral science. The platform automatically generates features like habit stacking suggestions, personalized difficulty adjustment, and smart reminder timing, turning your app from a simple tracker into an intelligent habit formation coach. Security is handled seamlessly. The AI implements end-to-end encryption, user-controlled privacy settings, and automatic compliance with GDPR/CCPA, build in the essential trust required for an app that handles sensitive personal routines. Before launch, we ensure a flawless experience. Using built-in simulators, we rigorously test every user workflow, cross-device performance, and the reliability of tracking systems, guaranteeing your app is both motivating and technically robust from the start. Deployment is instant. With a single click, your app is live. The platform automatically manages all server configuration, security, and backend infrastructure, allowing you to launch in minutes and start helping users immediately. Finally, we focus on growth. The AI helps you implement success sharing features, referral systems, and community challenges to drive organic adoption, ensuring your app can scale its impact and help more people build lasting positive change. When comparing costs, the traditional development approach for a feature rich habit app can range from $165,000 to $300,000 and take 6 to 12 months. With this AI-powered workflow, your investment is under $150 per month and allows you to launch in days, not months. I know some of you might have concerns, so let me address the most common ones. Can an AI-built app really help people as effectively as a professionally developed one? Absolutely. The AI is built on the same proven behavioral science principles and UX best practices used by experts. The effectiveness of a habit app comes from its understanding of human psychology, not the complexity of its code. What if I don't understand habit formation science? This is the platform's greatest strength. The AI bakes decades of behavioral research into the app's core features automatically, explaining the why behind each decision, so you don't need to be an expert to build an effective tool. How do I know my app will actually create lasting change? The methodology is built on rapid iteration. You can launch quickly, gather real user success data, and continuously refine the app based on what actually works, efficiently finding the most effective ways to help your users. What about ongoing maintenance and updates? The platform automatically handles all technical maintenance, security patches, and server updates. You can add new features and improvements through simple conversations, allowing you to adapt to user needs without any technical debt. Now that you've seen the complete professional path from idea to impact, it's time to take action. The difference between an idea and a launched product is decisive execution. You have everything you need to create a professional habit app that could help thousands of people. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The tools are available now, and every day you delay is a day your potential users are struggling without the solution you could provide. Your impact on people's lives starts with a single app built in 5 minutes. Millions of people struggle to build positive habits and would benefit from an app that actually helps them succeed rather than just tracking their failures. There's absolutely no reason you can't create that helpful app using the AI tools and strategies I've demonstrated today. The habit building market needs more solutions that focus on genuine behavior change rather than just pretty interfaces. Stop waiting for permission or perfect conditions. Start building your habit app today, and in 5 minutes you could have a working prototype. In 30 days, you could be helping real people create lasting positive changes in their lives. The future belongs to those who use AI tools to solve real problems and help others. Make today the day you started your journey toward creating apps that genuinely improve people's lives.